name's Sam. Thank you for coming back to my channel. And you're probably wondering why this is so weird looking. You'll find out in a bit. I'm going to teach you some Japanese, or as much as I can, confidently. So I hope you enjoy this. We're going to learn some Hiragana. I should probably learn a bit more, but... So. Oh, this is so weird. Do I have to do this in reverse? I didn't think this through. Hold on. Alright. So, Hiragana, it's it's the basic, well, from what I understand, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, Lord knows it's going to happen. It's the basic phonetic writing of Japanese that a lot of school children learn when they're growing up, or children that learn growing up before they get into school, and that's when they start learning the more complicated kana and katakana, which is something I'll get into later, maybe, depending on how this goes. So, we're going to start off with something simple. That is ah. This is oh. Right off the bat, you can already make a word. Oh. Which the kana for is this. And this is blue. Alright. Ah-oh. And then there's E, which is just kind of an I sound, a short I. Then there is E, which is an E noise. And then finally, U, which is usually used to extend a vowel. Alright. Next up will be the Kas. So, we have Ka, which is just K, A. That's used at the end of a lot of sentences if you're asking a question. There's Ku, which, by the way, don't say that directly to a Japanese. Oops, sorry, I need to move that up. Here's Ku, which, if you say that by itself, means suffering, so be careful with that. Ko. It's used in a lot of stuff. There's Ke. And finally, there is Ki. A couple of other ones we can do right now is Aka. This is the kana, or kanji if you want. And that means red. So, here's Sa. Se. Shi. Also, do not say she by itself to a Japanese person. That means deaf. Or don't say it off the cuff unless you're using it as a part with other words. Which is also, she also means for, but people don't typically use it for four. And there's Su. This is Su is often used at the ends of sentences with ma, which we'll get to in a bit. So mas, and then des. Those are often used at the end of sentences for different things. Like mas is typically, from what I understand, things you do, and des is how things are, or describing things. Or, yeah. And then there's finally so. Next up, last one I promise. We are going to do the top section. In case you're wondering how I'm doing this, I am basing it off of the Japanese keyboard you get from phones. They have it standard. You can just download one, and then I'm just doing it button by button. Should have read that first. So this is ta. This is te. This is to. This here is su. And then finally we have chi. See? Not too bad. The first word I'm going to put down, besides ao and aka, is ichi, which is, this is what the kana is. It's just a little bar, and it's just one. Sake is, this is the kana. Oh boy. Sake, well, it's rice wine or alcohol is what's translated as in the app that I'm using to learn it. But we'll just go ahead and put rice wine or sake. Okay, next up, e, e. The kana for that is this. And this means house. Or maybe home. It wasn't really defined for me, but there. There, that looks better. Alright, and simple things that you'll... But until the next video, we're just going to go ahead and do sai, yo, na, da. Until next time, thank you for watching.